Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We're here, we're trying to make our Pente board cooler than what it was before and have the inner circle part that you have to make a move on. So this is sort of good, but we need to adjust it. So I think what we got to do is move it over one at least, okay? So let's do that, okay? And that's pretty easy to do because let's go to the board. Um, we did this, okay? And this is again one of those things where you can public we should do like a kind of a final variable. It might be a good idea. Whoops, that's not what I want to do. I want to say this public static final int let's say inner start for the inner start part, and we're going to make this like 7, okay? And then you can go public static final int inner end, and that should I guess we have to move the whole thing over one, so it's probably got to go to like 11. And then we can reuse these variables and stuff like that. So it's a sort of a better idea to use actual numbers because nobody knows what you're talking about here. So we can go inner start, and this can go inner end, like that. Okay, and hopefully this will make it look better. So we'll see. Okay. So that's good, right? Okay, so then what we have to do is get this to not do the top part too. So we just get a little square area, right? And so how do we do that? Well, what we have to do is you have to do if this is true, and then you can make this in one big if statement, but then you can also do a double like if for the row too. You could go like this. This would be one way to do it. Because basically this is like if this is in this one region and the row is you do the same thing for the row, then we'll do that. Okay, and let's see if that works for us. And that should get you the inner start square. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. And then and so this is like if you move in here, then nothing can be like, I think the second move has to be in this zone first to have this work. Okay, and since I've got this and I'm happy now, one of the things I might want to do is work on the yellow color to make it more fun to look at. Let's see. So I would go to the board square, and the inner color could be a lighter yellow. Okay, so I'm going to make a new color. And the square color is just this, right? So one of the things you could do to just lighten it is just to add more light. So we could go like here, we could make this like 259 and make this 228 and 234 and see if this does the job. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm adding like, like 10% more light or something like that. Okay, whoops, I got a mistake here. What's my problem here? I did something bad. Let me find out what I did bad here. Okay. No, it seems okay. Let me see. Let's go to the Pente Adding. Okay. Let me run it from here. My color primer is screwed up. Okay, I gotta go fix my color. Hang on. 259. That's the problem. I can't do that. So I gotta go to board square, and there's no such color as 259. There can only be 255. So that's good. Let's see what happens. That's pretty good. It's got to get a little bit lighter, so maybe we can go to like 238 and 244. Let's see what that does. Adding more light makes it sort of go to lightness or white. That's not bad. Okay, so that's kind of the concept here. I'm going to get this this made, and I want to make sure that this thing's only 5 squares big. I hope that's right. We'll have to double check that too, but I think that's okay. And that's something we want to do. Maybe we make this a little bit yellow, or let me see. Let me go here and try to darken it. See what I get out of that. Okay, I'm working on it. But anyway, that's kind of what we're looking for, and then we want to be able to put on stones. Okay, so let's work on that as well. Okay.